Romeo and Juliet pudding. This is, with no questioning, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Super simple to make and it's amazing. Let's start using 600 grams of guava paste, okay? This one you can buy in any supermarket. I chopped it to make it easier to melt, and I added 300 milliliters of water and just wait for it to be melted. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. After melting all of the guava paste and it's super creamy like this one, we are going to continue the recipe. In a bowl, let's add 50 milliliters of water with 1 sachet of unflavored jello. Here we are going to hydrate this jello and melt it. You just have to follow the instructions from the producer behind the package. After 1 minute, it's already hydrated like the video, and then you just put it in the microwave oven that it will melt. Now just put inside of the guava paste and mix everything to let it all together. After mixing everything very well, here we'll have a guava jello. But the jello, guys, won't have any flavor, okay? The flavor will come from the guava paste. Let's put it in a greased form with oil or butter. And let's make the other part of this recipe. In a blender, let's add 400 grams of condensed milk, 400 grams of heavy cream, 200 milliliters of cream cheese, 50 grams of Parmesan cheese, and 1 more sachet of unflavored jello. It's already hydrated and dissolved. Now let's beat all of these ingredients. The jello, you will make just the one we made the first one. And here we already have our pudding with cheese. Very creamy. As you saw here, I left our guava paste in the freezer while we were preparing the second part of this recipe. So when you're going to add it, the guava paste will be hard already, okay? And then just stick it to the fridge and let it there until it's all hard. Here it took 4 to 5 hours, but it will depend on your fridge, okay? And guys, seriously, just take a look at it. It's amazing, very delicious, very creamy. Guys, do you want a more perfect match than guava paste with cheese? Seriously, I love this recipe. I love this match. It's great. I'm pretty sure that you have never heard about a pudding like this. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe. Kisses and see you on the next video.